go back to Atlanta.
Why?
Because I want to go back to Disney World. I love Disney World. To Harry Potter World, have fun with all the Harry Potter roller coasters. Mommy was scared of that roller coaster, but it was fun. Mommy wasn't scared.
No?
No.
What else did you do?
And Barry keep dropping Hagrid on the floor and keep getting him dirty.
I did not do such a thing.
Bruh.
Hagrid in the back. Hagrid in the back of the airplane. He's just hanging out. Look at some babies. The Dino Smashers, check. The dinosaurs, check. And then for Christmas adventures, check. I'm gonna get the adventure toys. When it's Christmas, I'm gonna get the adventure toys.
Yeah.
And then, do you see that little bump right there? Guys, yesterday I was at the park and then I was swimming, the water park. I then covered my nose and I was swimming like this. And then I hit my head, and my head on the water. And then I hit my eye, then I hit my nose. That's how I got this little bump right there. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. I'm in the airplane. Bye.